This is how you can vacuum seal a Vitamix container to turn a Vitamix into a vacuum blender. This is the 64-ounce self-detect container. This system works with any of the self-detect containers of the different sizes. I have taken the center piece out that's used with a tamper. I've also replaced the O-ring with a heavier O-ring. The O-ring that comes with this container doesn't hold a vacuum very well. This is the O-ring that comes with the DynaPro vacuum blender, and this is available to purchase separately on the DynaPro or on the TriBest website. I've also got this meter here which measures pressure differential inside the container. So I'm going to stick that in the container for testing. And this O-ring seal is a little bit bigger, so it's a little harder to get the lid on. Usually put one side down first and then the second side, just to make sure there's a good seal, or else what will happen is the lid will suck down into the container during the vacuuming. This is a silicone seal used for a wide mouth mason jar. It goes underneath a metal lid to create a watertight seal in a mason jar. And that fits right down into the top of the lid. This is the valve lid that comes with the MVP pump, and that fits right on top of that mason jar silicone seal. And then I'm just going to start vacuuming with the MVP pump. Just fits right on the center. And I'm going to start vacuuming the container. I can see the numbers increasing on the meter, indicating that there's a vacuum being formed. Okay, I've vacuumed out all the air. You can see the meter. You usually get about a 73. It's about the highest you can get with this container. I have a 48-ounce stainless steel Vitamix container. That one can use the O-ring seal that comes with that container. There's no reason to change out the O-ring, and that one I can get about an 83. That container is a little bit sturdier. It holds a little bit better of a vacuum. That's basically it though. So you can see I'm going to release the valve at the top. You can hear all that air coming out. That's basically it. That's how you can turn a Vitamix into a vacuum blender.